Red button, a short press it to switch to the full screen display of the left camera. Short press it again to return to the original display mode. Blue button, a short press it to switch to the full screen display of the right camera. Short press it again to return to the original display mode. Double-click any button of remote control to switch to backup camera mode. Short press it again to return to the original display mode. Menu button, press it to enter the menu page. Select the front page to view the videos saved by the front and rear camera. Select the side page to view the videos saved by the left and right camera. Select the setting page. Press the button to select the corresponding function for setting. Multiple functional settings are available. Select the memory card page to format the memory card. Select the language setting page to switch between different languages. VEVR button, switch between different camera display modes. 1/2 cameras split screen modes are available. Down button, in video recording status, short press it to turn on off the sound record function. Press the OK button to pause start recording. Up button, in video recording status, short press it to unlock video being recorded. Power button, short press it to sleep, long press it to turn on off the recorder.